Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. In this video, I am going to take you through why is self-belief important in one's life, the difference between self-belief and self-confidence, the traits of a person having high self-belief, and also benefits of having high self-belief. Now, let's see why is self-belief so important. Self-belief plays a major role in a person's life while working on new challenges and taking risks. It's all about feeling good about our own abilities, skills, and talents. Low self-belief may lead to feeling insecure, and the person will not live his or her life to his or her full potential and live less. Now let's see the difference between self-confidence and self-belief. These are not same. Self-confidence can be described as the way we project ourselves to the outside world. It is all about our behavior that we exhibit to the outside world, whereas self belief is the way the person feels inside about himself or herself, regardless of his or her achievements, looks, or other things he or she may feel confident in. You might have observed certain persons in your day to day life having different quality of life, their actions and behaviors are totally different. Let's see the traits of persons with high self belief. They love themselves. They never depend upon the love from outside world. They always share love to the surroundings and the people around. They get their happiness from within. They know exactly where the happiness comes from. They are grateful. They remain grateful for the things they have in their lives. They exercise. They never depend on somebody's advice or suggestions or push for the actions they are supposed to take. They are positive and calm, irrespective of difficult situations. They remain prepared for any kind of situations they are coming across in their lives. They have a great quality called never give up. They may come across thousands of failures, but they never give up until they reach what they are supposed to reach, the destination. They take risks. They know that they have to take risks to grow from point A to point B in life. They aren't afraid to be wrong. So they are not held back by the mistakes or the wrongness they do in life. The persons with high self-belief, they always appreciate other persons what they have done. They listen more than they speak. They speak less and listen more. This is a great quality. They are modest. They aren't afraid to ask for help. Whenever they need help, they scream out. They don't remain shy enough to seek help. They dedicate time to what matters. For them, what matters is the matter, and they dedicate time and prioritize them. We all need to have high self-belief in our lives to achieve whatever we want to achieve in our lives. So let's see how to develop high self-belief. Firstly, we need to accept our current situation. Accept your current situation, whatever you are in. Think about your past success. In the past, you would have had success or achieved certain things which would have brought happiness in your life. Remain grateful for the things, people you have in your life. Trust your abilities and yourself. Always trust your abilities and yourself is most important quality. Talk positively with yourself. Count the negative words you may utter during the day and convert them into positive words. Don't let fear stop you. So fear may appear real, but assess the fear and move forward. Very important. Let yourself off the hook. Let yourself off the hook means don't hold back yourselves with the situations you are in or past experience you had, bitterness, etc. So always forgive yourself and forgive others and move forward. Go with a positive attitude. This is the most important thing in life. Always have a positive attitude, irrespective of whatever situation you are in. Let a life coach help you. If you think you need a life coach help, then seek for that at the earliest. Keep moving forward and never look back. So always look forward and get the messages or learnings from the past and be action oriented. Let life move you. So flow with the life, and life will take you to the place you want to go. Let's see the benefits of high self-belief. Firstly, you feel secure and worthwhile, and you will have positive relationships with others. You always feel confident about your abilities. You are always open to learning and getting feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Please keep watching our forthcoming videos. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. All the best.